the idea behind this project is that students work in teams of 3 to 4 to design a dream house, and it has to meet all of the legal requirements of the city they want to build in. So it has to meet the FAR, Florida Area Ratio requirements, and they have to research the zoning laws of their city and kind of see the legal aspects that go into building a house. And then they also have the more creative outlet of designing the house however they want. They can add, I have girls that want a yoga room, or students that want a big theater room in their house maybe, or some people want a really small house. It's just personal preference, so they get that creative outlet as well. Then another component of the project that they do is they have to figure out how much it would cost to build the house.
An area to build our house. We have to find the size of our house, the area, perimeter. We also have to find each price of everything in our house, like the budget. We have to make a whole spreadsheet about our budget, and we have to put all these materials together and make like a whole book about it.
Okay.
So I did a project called the Dream House Project, and we designed an entire house and made a floor plan, like a real architect would. We even made the cost and budget. We had to find all the materials necessary, such as paint and floor materials such as tiles and wood. This project was kind of difficult because you had to get into the mindset of an architect and how to make sure your house is stable, how big your house is. Otherwise, it was a really fun project. For the measurements, I mostly just use Google SketchUp to do the measurements. There's a tool in Google SketchUp that you can just measure a side and it will tell you how long it is if you implemented it already. So the measurements were really easy. Yeah, and well, you kind of had to make them add up to each other and make them all equal. What I'm getting out of the project is how to apply math to the real world, how to use Pythagorean theorem to measure an angle, and how to calculate the areas to know how much material we need to buy, stuff such as that.
Project.